This is Iram Gulashad and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be sharing you 6 important tips for a skincare routine. Yes, the important tips which are very necessary for your skincare routine. Like I meant to say, even if you're using the world's best product for your skin and you're using in a wrong way, it may lead the worst to your skin. So make sure to take care of these things. So let's get started with the first step. So the first step is take care of your skin. Means if your skin is oily and you're using some kind of product for the dry skin, the result can be worse. So make sure before purchasing any kind of product, check the ingredient or type of the product first. And if you're using any homemade or DIY, then first you should know the detail of that product very well. And knowing the full details means test the little bit of the product on your skin so that you may know it is suiting your skin or not. But don't use routinely. You will know that product is better for you or not on the first or second use. That is, don't use physical scrub too much. Well, exfoliation is very necessary for your skin, but scrubbing your face is a bad idea for your skin, for any kind of skin. Means for sensitive skin, obviously exfoliation or scrubbing your face is not a good option. But even for the normal skin or dry skin, scrubbing is a bad idea, guys. Literally, it will damage the upper layer cuticle of the skin very bad. And obviously, if you're having the acne prone or some sensitive skin, then you should not scrub your face, which are available in the market, the harsh scrub. And even the DIYs also, the homemade products which are very harsh, like oatmeal scrub, the coffee scrub, and also the rice flour. Rice flour is a very bad scrub for the sensitive or the acne prone skin. Even the sugar also, don't use the sugar on the sensitive or acne prone skin. For them, honey and lemon will be the perfect combination for the exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin once or twice a month, only if needed. And the third step is start doing double cleansing your skin. Well, double cleansing is very necessary for your skin, even if you do wear makeup daily or not. Because daily you use toner, serum, moisturizer, or oils, or any kind of essential things on your face. Because obviously leaving skin bare is not a good option. So at least daily moisturization is very necessary. So it is very necessary to remove all these products from the deep inside of your skin, and for that you have to double cleanse your skin. And it also looks very healthy after double cleansing, and always use cleansing balm or cleansing oil to remove the makeup, because it is very much effective and in comparison to cleansing lotion or cleansing water. And micellar water obviously is for removing the eye makeup, and then after, wash your face with your favorite face wash for the double cleansing or the final cleansing. And the fourth step is check the ingredient first before purchasing any product. So if you're going to purchase any kind of product, any kind of chemical product from the market, check the ingredient first. Means which ingredient is perfect for you, which ingredient you really require, and which ingredient will not suit your skin. And if some product is not giving its best result or it is not suiting your skin, then it is the ingredient present in that product. That means that ingredient is not suiting your skin and you have to change that product, and you have to skip that ingredient. Sometimes there are some ingredients also which will suit you on the second or third use. So make sure about that कि कौन सा ingredient आपको suit कर रहा है या नहीं. So know your suited ingredients first. And the fifth one is don't use so much chemical products on your skin. So there are many advertisements, there are many products out there, there are too many people, there are too many the beauty bloggers who used to suggest you, who used to advertise the products, that this product is good for you, this product is good for that, and this will hydrate your skin, this will moisturize your skin, and blah blah blah. But don't and never listen to them, seriously, because they are giving you many options. Those are for thousands of millions of population. So it's up to you what to choose, what will be the best for your skin. It's your choice, it depends on you. Okay, it should be completely your decision, okay, that what will be the best for your skin. So again and again I will tell you that the most important thing is to know your skin very well. Stop doing experiments to your skin, please, seriously. Means if some chemicals is not good for your skin, then please leave that behind. Don't think about that too much कि आपको वो use करना ही करना है. You will have to use that routinely, then it will give the result. Please don't push your skin towards them. It will only and only harm to your skin. And seriously, I really don't think there are too many chemicals out there which will be good for your skin. And using the chemicals all over your face and your skin again and again is a very good option. I really don't think so. And using the toner, the moisturizer, and then by serum, then the some kind of essential oil, then some kind of essence. Seriously, you all don't need to do this, okay? Just know your skin first and just know that what your skin really needs. That's it. And yeah, one more thing, you don't need to do the day and night time routine. Means suppose if you want your skin to be hydrated, then use the toner. Just choose some kind of toner that some ingredients present in that toner कि वो आपकी स्किन को अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करे, आपको बिना किसी हार्म पहुंचाए, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो केमिकल फ्री भी रहे. बट या, टोनिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. यू शुड डू दिस स्टेप. क्लेंजिंग इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर आवर फेस. Just like that, toning is also necessary. Next step is don't switch too many cosmetic products or the skincare products. Always keep A, B and C products for your skin. And always use products for 2 to 3 months. क्योंकि 2-3 महीने तक ऑलमोस्ट कोई भी टेम्परेचर जो है और जो वेदर है वो चेंज नहीं होता है. एंड ऑलवेज चेंज योर प्रोडक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सूटेबिलिटी ऑफ योर स्किन और द चेंजिंग वेदर. Because your skin requirement changes according to the changing in the environment or the temperature. And I always used to have A, B and C products for my skincare. Trust me, this is the best way for taking care of your skin. And I never do experiments with my face. I know the ingredients for my face कि मुझे सच में किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, मुझे क्या चीज़ सूट करती है. And I used to prefer that ingredients in my products also. I also don't switch too many brands. And I only trust some of the brands. So I hope that my video will be useful and beneficial for your skin. And if you really like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel. And please do comment whether you like my video or not, or something else you want me to tell you in my video. And please like and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.